Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn pagination in applying of the design of pagination mode in CSS. So how simply we are going to applying this pagination, we'll see one by one. So let's begin the session with writing of a simple div. On the mouse over, we'll see the numbers, how it is coming, and all we are going to be verifying here perfectly. So in addition, I'll show you like a hover effect also. Let's see first by defining a div element. Inside the div, I'm taking a links, which is active or not, and classes how we are applying, all we'll see one by one. Okay. So here a tag, h reference, and this is I'm taking nothing. So if I want anything, I may add it here. Okay. So like what I take first, the number 1. Okay, so these are the number 2, number 3 pages only now. So till 6 I'll take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 something, correct? So I'll make it number changes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So the pagination first step we have created under the div hyperlinks we have created to display the numbers. Very good. Now here we would like to see like a left arrow and right arrow to this page. The design would be comes here. So again I have used like instead of taking this end symbol and L A Q U O means left quote. Check it. Reload. Yes, left quotes. We are getting here. Perfect. So similarly we need to take right quote also. So it is in a mostly I think it is in a LA RA. Yeah, RAQUO. And terminators are also required here. Yes, terminator is also required. To getting in a like sometimes may require or may not, it will say. Whereas we have to take a proper coding, we have to add it. Terminator. Alright, now this div I'll make it more beautification. So here I'll write the beautification steps. The class I'm going to apply pagination. Pagination will write for a class. So take a copy of this and put a dot and paste. Take curly braces. Now our game starts. So here first I am writing the pagination display inline block only. Display inline block only applicable. Now we need to inside the same class hyperlinks to be actionable now. Here by default color to be black by BLA black, and now float left. Float is left. The float, why it is happening? Yes, floating is left, and the padding around something like a 5px and 16px. We may define this one. Alright, now one more, it is like a text decoration, the property which is going to be none to be entertained mode there. So now let's check this. Reload the page. See how it is pages are very clearly it is expanding over here. So now it is clear. Now I may add like some hover effects, some hover active effects. For by defaultly if I want to see any active thing, how it is possible? How it is possible? Let's see. Again same thing I'll write. I'll take a copy of this class. And for here a dot active. If a dot active, I'm going to apply for only like yeah, these things are not required. Yes, So here when mouse is highlighted over there, when it is an active, I'm applying for something other background color. Okay, so 4C AF 70 for background color is changing, while the text to be white. Okay, the text to be white. Let's check it. Reload. Yeah. Okay, so I have to, when it is an active, no, so active class also we have to implement here. So the pagination active we already implemented. So when it is active we are already implemented. Yeah, so we are not getting the thing. Okay, see, let's see here. Inside a class active we have to add some of any of a class. So class ACTIVE, save it. Number 2, let's check it. Reload. Wow, when it is active it is turning, and when my mouse is there the pointer is moving. So this way, if you want to put active for some other page, for there you can add this class, something like here. Yes, save it. Number 4, reload. Number 4 is active. So this way you can make the wonderful pagination design CSS code to your HTML page. Alright, so we'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.